I'm sure you've heard the news. Polar bears love the cold, but there's so much more you don't know. Let's uncover some wild facts. Polar bears aren't actually white. Their fur is transparent. It only looks white because it reflects the light. And get this, they're the largest land carnivores on Earth, with adult males sometimes weighing over 1,500 pounds. Despite all that bulk, they're amazing swimmers, able to paddle for days at a time. And here's a fun one. Polar bears use their massive paws as snowshoes, spreading their weight so they don't fall through the ice. Next time you see a photo of a polar bear, remember, there's more than meets the eye.